Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are giving your exams well. So, as you all have already given examination of term 1 of computer, now today we're going to do the recapitulation of chapter number 4, that is Introduction to Windows. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about how to start a computer and shut down a computer. As in term 1 you have already gone through chapter number 1 and 2, so the concept of chapter number 1 and 2 is clear to you all. So before starting with the new chapter, I want your terms to get over. When your term exam will get over, then only we're going to start the new chapter. So before that, today we're going to revise or recapitulate lesson number 4. Okay, so in this chapter you're going to learn about how to start a computer and how to shut down a computer. As we have already done this chapter, this is just for revising, recalling the chapter again. Okay, so watch this video. Switching on and off a computer.
When you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. Boot it up, boot that computer up. When you want some fun and all your homework's done, boot it up, boot that computer up. Boot it up, boot it up.
This is a computer room, as we have computer lab in our computer room in our school.
Kiko, what are you doing?
Hi, Rini. I have got some work to do on the computer, so I'm switching it on.
Gosh, I always want to know how to switch on the computer. At school, our teacher always switches on the computer. Can you teach me how to switch on the computer, Kliko?
Sure, Rini. I will tell you steps and you perform the steps.
Yes, Kliko.
First, remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Now, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard.
Power supply.
Yes, I have pressed the switch on.
This is the main power supply. First you have to switch on the main power supply. Okay, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard, or you can say the main power button, where the electricity will flow into your computer.
Now, switch on the UPS.
What is UPS? UPS is uninterrupted power supply. You have to switch on the UPS. When you have switch on the power supply, then switch on the UPS. What is UPS? UPS is uninterrupted power supply. It is a sort of a battery. When the electricity is turned off, when power supply gone, then also your computer continues to work for few minutes when the power supply is off. That is why UPS is connected to the computer. Suppose you are doing something very important and suddenly power goes off or power cuts off, so what happened? Computer will also be turned off. So that is why UPS is connected to the computer, so that if you are doing something urgent, something important, so and in that time power goes off, then also you can save your files. Till then the computer remains on.
Yes, I have pressed the UPS button on. Look, a green light is glowing in the UPS.
Yes, the UPS has powered up now. Now, switch on the CPU power button.
Yes, I have.
This is CPU power button. What is CPU? CPU is Central Processing Unit. What is CPU? CPU is the brain of computer. जैसे हमारा brain कोई भी question लेता है उसको solve करता है, हम अपने दिमाग से सोचते हैं, बोलते हैं ना let me think, तो हम think from where the process of thinking goes. कहाँ होती है प्रोसेस थिंकिंग? कि हमारे ब्रेन से होती है। इसी तरीके से कंप्यूटर के जितने भी पार्ट्स होते हैं उसमें सीपीयू जो होता है, इट इज़ नोन एज द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर। इसको कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन बोला जाता है। क्यों बोला जाता है ब्रेन? क्योंकि जो भी आप कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हो, वो कंप्यूटर के जो भी आप इंस्ट्रक्शन कीबोर्ड माउस के थ्रू देते हो, सीपीयू उसको लेता है और उसको प्रोसेस करके आपको रिजल्ट मॉनिटर पे देता है। सो दैट इज़ वाई सीपीयू इज़ द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर।
Press the power button on the CPU. I can hear a faint noise inside the box.
It is the CPU starting up. Now, switch on the monitor button.
Yes.
So final step, and the last step you can say is switch on the monitor button. Can you see the monitor on the screen? The TV like screen is the monitor. So there is a small button in the monitor. You have to switch it on. So this is the button for the monitor. This is the monitor. ये है आपका monitor screen. It is like a TV. ये TV screen की तरह होता है. So you have to switch it on.
I have switched it on. A green light is glowing, but nothing has appeared on the screen.
Relax, Rini. It may take some time to show the main screen as the system is booting up.
You know what? When you switch on the monitor button, it takes some time to show you the main screen. जब आप monitor button को ऑन करते हो तो कुछ समय लगता है स्क्रीन को दिखने में. क्यों समय लगता है? बिकॉज उस प्रोसेस में, उस ड्यूरेशन में आपकी जो भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपके कंप्यूटर में डला होता है वो लोड होता है कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे. कंप्यूटर की मेन मेमोरी में वो लोड होता है. उस लोडिंग को क्या बोलते हैं? बूटिंग प्रोसेस बोलते हैं. मीन्स बूटिंग होती है आपके कंप्यूटर में. जैसे आपने मॉनिटर की बटन ऑन करी, बूट होके जो भी डेटा है वो आपकी मेन मेमोरी में लोड होगा, फिर आपको ये मेन स्क्रीन शो होगी.
Look, the computer screen desktop is appearing on the monitor.
You can see
Yes, the computer is starting up. Look, Rini, this is the mouse pointer. It now looks like an hourglass. It means that the computer is busy and will need some time to start.
You know what? When the symbol like this is shown, you can see here this like glass jar type symbol. You know, glass jar type of symbol is here. Why it is here? Because it shows this symbol. Simple, there should be an arrow. There should be an arrow like this. Cursor, we call it as cursor. But it is not in this form. It is in this form. You can see here on the screen. Why? Because this means that computer is doing something and it needs some time. You should wait for some time to let it be normal. जब ये वापस से अपने इस तरीके के सिंबल में आता है, then only we should do anything on computer. जब तक वो इस तरीके के सिंबल में होता है तब तक हमें वेट करना चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर हम कंटिन्यूसली उसको प्रेस करते जाएंगे तो कंप्यूटर हैंग होता है. सो जब तक इस तरीके के सिंबल में यू शुड वेट. जब वो अपने नॉर्मल इस तरीके के एरो में कर्सर में आ जाता है, देन ओनली वी कैन स्टार्ट विथ आवर फंक्शनिंग.
Now, the hourglass has changed to the arrow pointer.
You can see here.
This means the computer is now ready. We can start working on it.
You can see here now the hourglass is converted into an arrow. We call it as cursor. Arrow के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो गया, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कर्सर बोलते हैं. सो द कर्सर इज़ रेडी मीन्स आवर कंप्यूटर इज़ रेडी. जब तक वो इस तरीके के सिंबल में था, वी शुड नॉट वर्क, वी शुड नॉट गिव एनी इंस्ट्रक्शन टू द कंप्यूटर, वी शुड वेट फॉर मिनट्स. ओके, जब हमारा इस तरीके के सिंबल में ये कन्वर्ट हो गया, देन दैट मीन्स दैट आवर कंप्यूटर इज रेडी टू वर्क.
Now, can you remember the steps how to turn on the computer?
Yes, Kliko. I can now.
Now we'll see the steps how to turn off a computer. Switching off is different and turning off is different. Both follows different steps. So follow the steps of switching off a computer now.
Always turn on the computer. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure to help you.
Oh, what should we do to turn off the computer? Should we just switch off the main socket switch?
No, Rini. We should never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. There are a number of steps you should follow to turn off a computer.
ओके व्हाट दे आर सेइंग दैट रिनी इज सेइंग कि क्या हम कंप्यूटर की पावर बटन को अगर बंद कर दे तो कंप्यूटर टर्न ऑफ हो जाएगा क्या? तो क्लिको बोल रहा है नो, वी शुड नॉट डायरेक्टली स्विच ऑफ द पावर बटन. हमको डायरेक्टली ये जो पावर बटन होता है ना, यहाँ पे ये दिख रहा है आपको पावर बटन, ये पावर बटन को हमको डायरेक्टली बंद नहीं करना चाहिए. इससे हमारा कंप्यूटर इफेक्ट हो सकता है, कंप्यूटर हार्म हो सकता है, इट कैन हार्म टू आवर कंप्यूटर. सो वी शुड नॉट डायरेक्टली स्विच ऑफ द पावर बटन. वी शुड फॉलो सम स्टेप्स, कुछ स्टेप्स जैसे स्विच ऑन करने के लिए कुछ स्टेप्स होते हैं, ऐसे स्विच ऑफ करने के भी कुछ स्टेप्स होते हैं. वी शुड फॉलो दो स्टेप्स टू स्विच ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर.
On the screen of the monitor. Look, it is located at bottom left corner of the screen.
I have clicked on it. A panel has appeared on the screen.
Can you see the shutdown option in the panel? Well, click on it.
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, what you have to do, you have to simply click on start button. When you will click on start button, you have to click on turn off button. When you will click on turn off button, a box will appear there. It will ask you to restart your computer, to log out your computer. So you have to turn it off, so click on turn off.
I have clicked on it.
Good. Now the computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. Look, the screen has now turned black. It means the computer is now turned off. The CPU also gets automatically turned off. So, we are not required to turn off the CPU. Now, switch off the monitor and after that switch off the UPS.
ओके आपने जैसे ही टर्न ऑफ पे क्लिक किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली मॉनिटर तो बंद हुआ, साथ में सीपीयू भी टर्न ऑफ हो जाता है. फिर आपको सीपीयू को टर्न ऑफ नहीं करना पड़ता अलग से. ओके, सीपीयू टर्न ऑफ हुआ, आपने मॉनिटर की बटन को बंद किया, देन यूपीएस को आप बंद करेंगे, यूपीएस की बटन को क्लिक करेंगे.
And switch off the main power socket switch.
देन क्लिक ऑन द मेन पावर सप्लाई.
Now, I hope you know how to switch on and off a computer.
Yes, I do now.
So, always remember these steps while turning on or off a computer.
Definitely, Clico.
Okay, so these are the important steps. If you will not follow these steps now to turn off a computer and simply you will switch off the button, then what will happen? The data in your computer might get damaged or corrupted, or the computer itself can be corrupted. So you should follow the steps, right steps to turn off your computer and to switch off your computer. Okay, so this video is regarding chapter number 4. In this chapter you have 3 things: how to start a computer, then you have a short summary about the operating system. What is an operating system? Operating system is a software that help us to operate the computer system. It is like a link between the user, we are the user, so it is a link between the user and the computer. It is an interface. एक interface होता है हमारे और कंप्यूटर के बीच में, जिसकी हेल्प से हम कंप्यूटर को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उसको ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. तो ये क्या मैनेज करता है? इट मैनेज एंड कंट्रोल्स द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. जो आपके कंप्यूटर में माउस, कीबोर्ड लगे होते हैं या स्पीकर, स्कैनर्स लगे होते हैं, इन सारी की फंक्शनिंग को कंट्रोल करता है. आप जब कोई कमांड देते हो तो उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है कि अब ये वाला पार्ट को वर्क करना है, अब ये वाले पार्ट को वर्क करना है. तो ये सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ मैनेज करता है, उनको कंट्रोल करता है. सो इट एक्ट्स लाइक एन इंटरफेस बिटवीन द कंप्यूटर एंड द यूज़र. Okay, then we have learned about how to shut down a computer. Okay, shutting down a computer. And one more thing that we need to learn in this chapter is the main parts of MS Windows 7. What is the main parts? What are the main parts of Windows 7? The wallpaper, icons, gadgets and the taskbar are the main parts of the Windows 7. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. Please watch this video to learn how to switch off and switch on a computer. Thank you.